Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Upwork, the result of a merger between Elance, founded in 1999, and Odesk, founded in 2003, Upwork.com is one of the largest freelance marketplaces trusted by millions of businesses, including Microsoft, Airbnb, and GoDaddy. We chose it as the best overall because the variety of work listed serves both entry-level and experienced freelancers equally. Upwork helps freelancers find one-off gigs and long-term contracts in a variety of industries, including design, development, accounting, marketing, writing, customer service, and more. Freelancers begin by creating a free profile where they can post details about themselves and their experience, case studies, build a portfolio, set their rates and skills, and even post a personal video. Upwork's AI-powered search then filters through tens of thousands of opportunities to match the freelancer to potential projects. Freelancers can review a client's ratings, history, and project details before submitting a bid. Clients and freelancers can ask and answer questions and negotiate rates and details right through Upwork. Every aspect of a contract is managed through Upwork's website, including time tracking, invoicing, file sharing, and messaging. Freelancers can also choose how to get paid, from direct deposit and PayPal to wire transfer and more. Freelancer. Founded in 2009, Freelancer.com is the world's largest freelancing and crowdsourcing marketplace, connecting almost 60 million employers and freelancers from 247 countries. We chose it as the runner-up because although it has a larger reach and is a little easier to break into than Upwork, clients tend to underpay for projects. Rather than focusing on specific industries, Freelancer organizes projects by category related to skills, including websites, graphic design, illustration, 3D modeling, WordPress, product design, and more. It even allows users to browse local jobs, including teaching, lecturing, drafting, general labor, drone photography, and more. Like Upwork, Freelancer is free to join. Users start by creating a profile that showcases their skills and experience and then set their fees. Once they're set up, freelancers can browse for jobs using a number of customizable filters, check out client ratings and histories, and place bids on projects. Finally, freelancers can communicate with clients right through the platform, as well as track time, submit invoices, and get paid through freelancers' milestone payments. One of the main differences between Freelancer and Upwork is that anyone can open a freelancer account, but to create an account on Upwork, you need to be approved. Upwork's vetting process narrows down the competition, making it easier to find quality work than Freelancer does. As a result, Freelancer is better for inexperienced freelancers looking to get simple, lower-paying jobs, for building a portfolio, or for short-term, low-priced hourly work. Guru, originally named eMoonlighter, Guru.com was founded in 1998 by entrepreneur Inder Guglani. Today, it boasts a pool of 800,000 clients worldwide, $250 million paid to freelancers, and a 99% client satisfaction rate. We chose it as the best for experienced gig workers because it targets professionals rather than entry-level freelancers and offers paid memberships to help users rank higher in the site's search results. Guru focuses on placing talented professionals with projects in 9 different categories: programming and development, writing and translation, design and art, administration and secretarial, sales and marketing, business and finance, engineering and architecture, education and training, and legal. Besides these 9, there is also another category for everything else. As with many gig websites, users can create a profile for free on Guru. From there, users can either browse freelance jobs online or get recommendations based on their skills with Guru's Top Match and Good Match search features. Once a freelancer finds a job they're interested in, they just submit a bid. Guru's platform also offers virtual workrooms where freelancers collaborate and add team members to a job. Users can also use a time tracker, share files, communicate with their team, create agreements and invoices, choose payment terms, and get paid, all from Guru's platform. TaskRabbit. Launched in September 2008 as Run My Errand, TaskRabbit.com connects people who need help with odd jobs and errands with local people who have the time and skills to do them. To date, the company's users have logged 350,000 hours. We chose it as the best for moonlighting since it offers flexible, local, one-off or ongoing jobs to suit anyone's schedule. Getting started with TaskRabbit is easy. Users call taskers, create a profile, and provide basic information including pay rates and the level of experience for their task categories. Tasks can be just about anything, from assembling furniture and planting flowers to cleaning houses and delivering groceries. Before they can bid on projects, users then have to apply to be a tasker. In order to be approved, an applicant must be age 18 or older, have a checking account and smartphone, pass background and ID checks, provide a valid SSN, and pay a one-time, non-refundable $25 registration fee. Once a tasker is approved, they can set up direct deposit. Once a tasker is onboarded, they'll be notified of potential jobs nearby via the TaskRabbit smartphone app, or they can search for them. They can then select the one they want to complete, confirm details with the client, complete the work, and submit their invoice. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.